Oh no, another minimum maintenance road. I think that's what I've been on this whole time. Funny, not very long. No elk in this area. Not elk, antelope, I don't think. I don't have to worry about them jumping out of the ditch on me. 41.8 miles an hour. Come on, TW, you got it in you. 42 and a half, 43, 44.6. Nice. Whew. Left here. Is that left? This is like super. No travel advised. That means this is TW territory. This goes up to, better see where it goes. Neutral? No, there's neutral. See how far this goes, just in case. I didn't go very far. We're good. We are good. Let's do it, eh? I think they must have lost the no maintenance road sign or minimum maintenance road. Well, no travel advised is no maintenance. Let's get over here. Hi, cows. A little bit of mud there. Go right down the middle. Yeah. Be careful with this one. Oh, no problem. I just don't know how slick this stuff is. Let's find out. Oh, not bad. There's been a tractor through here. Be a great place to stealth camp, wouldn't it? Oh crap, there's a fence here. Or does my road keep going that way? Doesn't say no trespassing. Or does it go up there? I think maybe it goes up here. Let's go check it out. Let's be stupid. Check it out. I gotta take a pee anyway, so I might as well take a pee break here. It's definitely an old 2-track. Very old 2-track. What's going on here? Ah, got an itch on my nose. Uh-oh. Pretty area. The upper. I don't hit no logs or rocks or anything. I can't say. Is there a rut there? Can't tell. T-Dub power! And I gotta get up that hill. Well, this says I'm on track, so Gaia's saying I'm on track. So, Gaia wouldn't lie to me, would it? This might be fun. Man, this is just a tractoring machine. Oh man, I gotta pee. I'm scared and I have to pee. Right here. All right, I gotta change batteries too. That was fun.